Jybe, how I did it. Episode 2, Phase 1, Preparation. See the links to other episodes in the description below. Preparation is very simple and very important phase. My main mistake was that I was not doing it. Was not doing it at all. The logic was that why bother, go directly into the turn. I'm good already, preparation is for beginners, and what is special about it, and who can go? Like I'm doing this right now on the screen. Obviously, I had zero chances of success. So yeah, I was skipping it, swallowing this phase completely, focusing on most complicated part, or so I thought at the time. It was really difficult to break this pattern, mainly because this phase is so mundane and the rush to do real things. The main goal in preparation is to unhook and unstrap the back foot without losing any speed and disturbing the sail. The main challenge for me was not to hurry at all and do all the steps without skipping a single one. Coach gave me two huge advices. The first is you have to do it long, allocate at least 3 seconds. And if you ask my advice now, I'd say allocate at least 5 seconds. It is especially important to do it slowly and not to hurry up because it had been your wrong muscle memory for the very long time and it was very wrong. So slowly does it, and it was the first advice. The second advice was going against the common wisdom that Dubbed heard many times. Bear downwind. The thing is that I sail long, narrow reservoirs, a very wide river actually, and it so happens that it is almost always in the downwind area of the lake. There is always a wave. A nasty lake chop, half a meter high, unpredictable with 1 second interval. Even if it's a totally calm, and then it starts, the wave and chop are created within 10 minutes after the wind. And if you spread your preparation for few seconds and bear downwind, you will cross 5 or 10 waves and you will be bounced viciously. Skip advice was priceless. Don't bear downwind. Sail parallel to the wave. You will not bounce. Otherwise, this phase is fairly mundane and really consists of consecutive steps, one after another. First step, wiggle your feet in the foot straps to make sure they are not locked and you will be able to easily take them out later. It is a must if you're wearing booties, and I do. Move your front head back so it is touching the harness. Move your back hand back as far as you can. Drop your butt. Number 5, extend your legs, no knee bend. Number 6, unhook. I use Dasher's advice of pressing the boom down with back hand. Harness lines falls out. Sail is undisturbed. This is the best advice from his video, I must say. Number 7, drop the butt back to the water even more. Number 8, extend your legs, no knee bend. Number 9, finally, take your foot out of the back strap. Number 10, place your back foot on its proper place on your rail. There are 2 places. 90% it is touching the rear strap. 10%, like on extra wide boards, it is touching the front strap. Bring yourself over center line, and it's 11 steps. So 11 steps, one after another, everything sequential, nothing simultaneous. So it's a little bit different here, and it's the only phase where you do steps. That's why I'm saying step, sequentially. And again, 2 important differences from Coach: no bearing downwind and sailing long parallel to the wave. And 1 difference from me. Because I was doing it slowly, it was uncomfortable for me to sail for a few seconds with both hands way back. So after trying many things, I decided that I will not put my hands into their rightful spots on the boom, but move as much as it is comfortable for me and correct on the following phase, initialization, which I will be discussing in the next clip.